cook boiled chicken with fermented bamboo shoots. The ingredients required will be chicken, onions, dry red chilies, bamboo shoots, ginger, garlic, crushed black pepper, and potatoes. Onions and potatoes are optional. Let's begin. I will saute the chicken for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes and then add water and then I will let it boil for some time. After this, I will add onions, chopped ginger garlic, potatoes, and salt to taste. After this, I will add dry red chilies and then cover the lid for 2 to 3 minutes. Next, I will take out the dry red chilies from the cauldron and turn them into a fine paste. Then, again, I will put the paste into the chicken. Now I will add fermented bamboo shoots and then stir for another 2 to 3 minutes. And at last, I will add crushed black pepper. Our dish is ready. Thank you. See you soon in my next vlog.